Excuse me, pardon me. So, the cartridges back set kind of saves your Nikes. Sets that cartridge a little further back. The right there. Exhaust from the cartridge flow divides from there to there. It's dual path. So it goes like this upside down feature here, yeah, that's really pretty cool because heat rises, and in order for the molecules to get out, they have to cool off. Otherwise, they'll be up here doing work for you. Additionally, in this volume, with the exhaust here, we could do a oven to like bake a chicken. Yeah. Yeah, you got a little piece here. So with the hopper, you come up with whatever. Shapa. Shapa. Thank you. Clean out. I don't know if I can hold the camera and take that off, but clean out. Clean out. And actually it's really cool because the components are all universal and symmetric. These mounts can mount, these mounts can mount to your wall. They can mount here for a bipod, quad pod. They can mount here, here. Got that same mount right there with the threaded right there. Yeah. So you can like mount it to a wall. Even fits the heat exchanger that fits in the priority mail flat rate box. I'm pretty pleased. Oh, and if you notice, it's a little extra crisp because I had these printed. Of course, there's the ignition port. You want to ignite the top of the pellets, not the bottom. Laser cut, stamped, printed delight. We even have, oops. That's hard to grab again. A little replaceable laser cut, like, oh, well, yeah, and of course this, like, opens the pellets, whoosh. As they burn, they shrink, they fall down, it ebbs and flows, cleans itself reasonably well. And it can rock along at a nice continuous heat output. You can fit 2 big soup pots on there. Definitely a pot of hot water. So, yeah. That's kind of what we think about doing over here at Hasty Heat. Nice little package. Priority mail flat rate box to your door.